চলো 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 ঠিক আছে রে বাবু
Yes.
Was it picking up?
The market has changed the last few years.
What do you think?
I feel like it's intense. Like we're like a startup.
Oh yeah, because of the.
And then you just mute and then you go eat dinner. Like I'm not even on the headset. I'm just on the call to look like I'm on. Yeah. I don't even see the screws. This was a ring a couple weeks ago, and I've had one. And they popped every single. Firms are like entropy.
This is
Like, you go from green grass to this.
a few days back, I wanted to.
Anvi, come back. Anvi.
This kind of farm, right? You can charge like $10 or something. So, yeah, more amazing. Yeah,
I wonder if I bought some eggs from you.
oh yeah.
Let's check chicken, Anvi. Go check chicken.
They've hired 24 layout in India.
Oh,
They didn't train them.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So we see them, but they don't really do anything. So Bart has flown over 3 times, and he's like, they don't know. We hired them, they don't know what to do. So we have all this staff without the training.
When I met Wanda was training, probably in Singapore.
Yeah.
Yeah, she.
And maybe it started hiring in India. And they got a little bit of turnover, not a lot. Like some of the grandpa's days. We bought this from an old guy, and he's like, "This farm hasn't changed since like the 30s." And I'm like, "Oh yeah, this is awesome." Yep, he is indeed. Yeah, they gave you.
Hotel.
You want to go in here with Salem? Is the most obnoxious, actually. She loves everybody, but she likes to chew on everything too. Show your dad too.
Show me.
Oh, and the goat too. Okay, two things. Okay, look at your dad.
Look here, look here.
When we visited India last year, she was with the goats all the time.
Goat had like newborn, like a few days newborn.
What?
Oh, what did you do?
Oh, you got a big one. She knows how to get back in. Here, you want to take a picture of me, Salem? I mean, just kind of stopped working on your project.
Well, I guess. I forgot all about it. I just saw it
Right now, but we definitely need to clean it up in here. We could use that fencing that's in there to go around the grass that we're trying to grow.
I love chicken. These are my old friends.
I'm a friend.
Chickens are amazing.
They are your friend.
Like 7-year-old in 4-H.
She's 5.
Oh, you need another clover bud.
You have some grandkids who are 5.
Yes, 2.
Yeah.
Jasper, one of the boys, is 5, and then Ellie's
I'm giving it back.
So Paul wanted to ride the horses. Yeah, Nubians, the long ears.
Yeah, we saw this kind of goat in that picture.
All the small ones are Nubians. Make owl noises to make them come up.
Oh.
Yeah, so Sarah got this call that this goose needed rescuing and that she had a duck. So the black ducks, I don't know. She is paired, they call that, like, they're best friends. They had just a friend that had them at their thing.
Oh, okay.
They need irrigation to wash all the winter poop down.
Mm.
It is free fertilizer, and then the water makes it. Hi, George. You haven't seen this fly sheet. Let me see it. The Mustang wants to sniff you.
Mm.
So they ran somewhere and what
Just hay. Alfalfa. There's a wild Mustang behind you. She has not been ridden yet. So yeah, you bid on these Mustangs. She thought she had the prettiest face. And then after 1 year, they give you $1,000 to take care of them. So Sarah just got $1,000. Okay. Oh, what?
I think we should try
It's almost mellow for our house. The two live with us. There's wild mustang. The dog steps on me. The horses rarely step on me. But they do that. Their heads are right near you. But they know where their feet are. Hi. I see you have a braid. Oh, that's so cute. Sarah braided you. Oh, look, here's another little braid.
Is she finished with her, she was trying the pilot license.
Yeah, and Amy moved, so Amy's back east with her mom. She did not get her pilot license.
Oh, Amy, yeah.
And then Sarah started her RN. She still works at the hospital, but she still hasn't gotten her RN. She only took 1 class last semester, so
Okay.
she's been a CNA for like 4 years.
Oh, so if she finishes,
It's snowing, farm snow. That means it's getting warm. Your winter fur is leaving you. It's not super thick. Sarah brushed her this week and got a lot off. There's piles in the front yard. You'll see as you go out in the front yard.
And you had a son who works at Michael, right?
Yeah, that's the we watched the 2 grandkids.
Oh, okay.
He did finally get a girlfriend last month, so maybe there's some.
Oh, so they're divorced.
Yeah, she didn't want anything. It was I've never heard of a mom just leave the kids, but she gave him 100% custody, and I think she sees him once a month with her mom.
Okay.
Like, yeah, weird situation. I know she's bipolar, so there's some mental issues, but oh yeah.